Pat Flynn back again. In 2 minutes or less, I'm going to teach you the single arm kettlebell swing. Please watch my two-hand kettlebell swing video before you watch this one. Once you're ready, put on the John McEnroe headband and join me. The single arm swing mechanically is almost identical to the two-hand swing. Start about a foot behind the kettlebell. Hinge at the hips. Two hands go on, one hand comes off. Strong hike, snap the hips. Chop, pop, chop, pop. The key here is to let the free hand come along for the ride. Tap the handle at the top to make sure your shoulders are square. This is right, square shoulders. This will get you on the naughty list. We don't want that rotation, we want to stay square. The key is to tap the handle at the top. If you can reach it, chances are your shoulders are square. Finish the exercise just as you start it. Kettlebell in front of you, flat back. We are hinged at the hips. All the power coming from the lower body. Hike, pop, deep hinge. Keep the kettlebell high and tight, like you're playing chicken with your zipper. Listen to the breathing. One more tip. Keep the armpits tight. Imagine you're squeezing a sponge right here with your armpit. There's some weird birds over there. What you don't want is your is your shoulder being pulled forward by the kettlebell. Real quick. Not this. See that disconnection? No, tight. Tight, it's gonna help keep you square. It's all about control, my friends. Movement is all about control. See ya.